Hi, I'm Alberto.
Isolina.
Nico.
Ángela.
Guillermo.
It's great to work in a company that has such modern values that allow you to combine your personal family time and life out of the office with the flexibility of the working day and working from home or coming to the office.
I'm from Argentina, from Córdoba actually. Here in the team I found more than friends, more than bosses, or more than different colleagues. They are a little family for me.
Yo empecé en Alén Space hace más de un año y empecé, como quien dice, desde cero, ¿no? Haciendo unas prácticas universitarias y bueno, intentando aprovechar el tiempo que estuve aquí al máximo.
A good thing about Alén Space is that when you work here, you can live all the phases of a space project, from the beginning up to the end, when the satellite is in operation in orbit. And everyone in the company has the opportunity to see all the processes and all the activities in such a mission.
We have a lot of experience, we have a lot of technology, but the most important thing we have is our team.
En 2018 fui a la cámara limpia del campus de Vigo a ver a un satélite que estaban haciendo, que era el Lume, y ese ahí fue el punto de inflexión de decir, vale, esto es lo que me gusta.
I decided to come to Vigo because it was a great opportunity.
Well, I would definitely recommend Vigo as a place to live. I think the quality life is very high here. We have a beautiful environment, nature, beaches, mountains, which gives you endless opportunities to practice outdoor sports, from hiking to cycling, swimming, sailing for the more adventure profiles.
There is a lot of options to go and enjoy the area after the work.